Hello and welcome to Mental Models for Wall Street. On this course, we're going to investigate a number of mental models and specifically how they relate to investing, trading, and business. But what is a mental model? Well, a mental model in its simplest form is an idea that helps us understand how the world works. Having a large array of these models at our fingertips gives us great tools we can use to solve problems and to navigate life. I first learnt about mental models from reading about Charlie Munger, who is Warren Buffett's business partner and who Bill Gates called the broadest thinker he's ever encountered. According to Charlie Munger, it's important to have a lattice work of mental models with which you can hang your ideas and experience. The world is complicated, so you can't rely on just remembering facts and saying them back. You need to have multiple models from all different disciplines in your head. There's a great talk that Munger gives which better explains what he means, and I'm going to put that in the next lecture for you to read. We're going to be talking a lot about Charlie Munger on this course, since he's regarded as the guy who popularized the use of mental models. And we're going to be talking about some other great thinkers as well. Daniel Kahneman features heavily as a result of his work in psychology and behavioral economics alongside Amos Tversky. And we will also be referring to figures such as Richard Feynman, the physicist, Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, and his early mentor, Benjamin Graham. Their insights will help us to understand the most important mental models and how we can apply them to the business world, especially in the realm of trading and investing. Finally, I'd like to also give a shout out to the Farnham Street blog and also Peter Bevelin's book, Seeking Wisdom, which both helped in the making of this course. Ask any of these experts and I'm sure they would say that the acquisition of knowledge is an essential component to success. It's said, for example, that Warren Buffett used to read upwards of 600 pages a day. But even though there is so much to learn, there are shortcuts we can take. By studying the big ideas from the big disciplines like psychology, economics, maths, physics and engineering, we can go a long way in a short amount of time. And that's the whole concept behind mental models. They're shortcuts we can use to get results fast. On this course, we're going to look at the most important mental models as related to financial trading, and we will learn some useful information along the way. So let's begin.